Hello my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, my name is sithembile.mdlaloser and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification bell so you do not miss any other videos I'm going to be posting on my channel. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how I do a top knot bun using some braiding hair, some gel, and Got2B glue spray if you really want to make it last for a little bit longer than a couple of days. So I'm just going to be showing you the steps that I use to, get that look. So what I'll be using is I'll be using the Aunty Jackie's Don't Shrink Flexi Seed Elongated Curling Gel. You can use the Eco Styler. A lot of people use the Eco Styler, and like I said, if you want your hairstyle to last a couple of days, maybe 3 to 4 days, you just need the blasting free spray from Got2B Glued. You spray that after you are done, but I'm going to show you. And for your edges, you just want to tame your edges with, I've got the Aunty Jackie's Curls and Coils Tame My Edges Smoothing Gel. This is the gel. You'll use that for your edges. And to tie your hair, I actually have these that I bought in bundles. I bought them at Dischem. They were going for $39.99, but I'll be listing everything in the description box. And also what you're gonna need is some braiding hair. I just bought some braiding hair. This is the Darling brand. To start with, I'm going to be using a detangling brush just to brush through my hair and put it into place. I'm going to brush the hair and then I'm going to tie it into a bun, depending on where you like your bun to be. I like mine right here at the top, so I'll just do that and I'll follow with the rest. Let me just take my glasses off for this. It's actually so hot in here. Okay. Okay, I want my bun to be, I think it's very low. So let me just do it and just bring it up higher, a little bit higher than where it is right now. Okay, this is where I'm just gonna be tying my bun, right at the top, and the back is just laid down, but I'm gonna still be using gel to lay down the hairs, a little bit more, just to give me that slick laid down look. So this is where I want my bun to be. So I'm just gonna take another scrunch. Is it called a scrunchie? I don't know, but let me put my glasses back on. It's actually very hot in here. I actually had ones that were already used. I don't want to open up this because somehow once you open them up, they just kind of get lost. I need a container for them. So let me just quickly grab the ones that I know are used, so I can just use it just to tie the top of my hair first. Okay, I actually found these. Okay, I'm gonna place my bun here. I actually didn't tie it, you know, it's not tight. I didn't tie it very tightly because I'm still gonna apply some gel. And like I said, I'm using the Don't Shrink Aunty Jackie's Flaxseed Elongated Curling Gel. It's a curling gel, but you can use it just to lay down the hairs. So I'm just gonna use this and just, you know, lightly apply the gel to the hair, just to lay everything down. This gel, okay. If it leaves a white residue, don't worry about that. You know, as it dries down, it actually just disappears. And make sure you get the back of the hair. You don't want to have a sleek, oh gosh, I've messed up my t-shirt with makeup, damn. How could it? So I'm just gonna use this comb slash brush just to apply more gel and just brush it through my hair. Okay, see what it does? Just make sure that you get the edges real good. If you like baby hairs, this is your time to shine, because it'll make them just sleek as you want. But I do not like baby hairs, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm just gonna use this brush again to just brush everything. Okay, I've actually tied down the scarf so that at least it flattens the hairs right at the beginning of the hair. So I'm just gonna deal with this part because my hair is very stubborn. It's a blown out afro, but the edges are still stubborn. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of gel here just so that I can be able to work with it. So I'm just applying a little bit of gel, and I'm just gonna take one of these and I'm just gonna tie it down once again. You don't want to tie your hair like too tightly, you know, to avoid breakage and all of those things. So let me just remove this. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm not gonna tie it down a little bit, you know, so that I don't waste too much of your time, but you need to just tie it down a little bit longer so that the hairs, you know, are laid down properly and your edges are also laid down properly. you'll see the longer you do it, you know, the more slick it will be. Next, I'm gonna get some braiding hair. Like I said, this is the darling. You can use whichever length you like. I've actually used one packet. This is just one pack of braiding hair, and I actually don't want to make it to be equal. Yeah, I've just done this to it. I actually prepared it myself. It was not the pre-stretched, so I stretched it and now it's ready to be used. So what I'll do is I'll just take this and just wrap it around my hair, and then you twist. You just make sure that it's really laid down, and then you start twisting. And once you start twisting, you'll feel your once you start twisting, you'll feel your hair just becomes, and it wants to twist in a direction of its own, and you allow it. You allow and you twist in the direction of where the hair is taking you. So you continue twisting. Oh, what happened now? Did I do it in the wrong direction? Okay, we just continue twisting. When you twist, continue twisting. And you just tuck whatever's left, and you take your hair tie and you just tie it in again. Just make sure that and yeah, you just, sometimes it comes out the first time, it comes out right the first time, sometimes it takes a little bit of practice. So yeah, as you can see here, I've got a little bit of flyaways, so this is where the Got2B glue comes in. I'm just gonna spray that. This will make this hairstyle to last a little bit longer. So as you can see, it's really laying the hairs down. So, and it also gives it that shine, the little bit of shine. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just wrap it a little bit and then I'll just come back. Okay, now I'm just gonna untie, and this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna try it. You know, let me know how it turned out for you and what you did differently. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll meet you guys in my next video, and yeah, thank you so much for joining me. Goodbye.